What's up, guys? I'm really excited to share this with you today. How awesome would it be to make your next listing video a music video, a rap video, whatever type of genre of music that you would like. You may have seen Tim Smith's Teach Me How to Duffy, a play on Teach Me How to Dougie, advertising his $45 million mansion in California. Or you may have seen Anthony Manzone's It's Gonna Be May on his own property for May Street. These both went viral. They were huge hits. They got tons of eyeballs to their properties. The problem is they were really expensive. They took a lot of time, huge production, but I wanted to show you a way that you can turn your listing videos into a music video completely for free. We're gonna do this with the help of a new awesome AI tool called Suno AI. This is a music creation tool that actually creates music from just you putting words into it. We're gonna use a little bit of ChatGPT to write a catchy song for us. And then as a bonus, I'm gonna show you on CapCut how you can add the music to your video and have your own music video that you'll be able to share on social media. Let's go ahead and dive in. All right, we're gonna take this step by step, and the first thing you need to do is find your listing remarks that you've already come up with for your listing. I have mine here in Google Docs. You're gonna highlight those listing remarks, and we're just gonna copy those. Next, we're gonna go to our good old friend ChatGPT, which I'm sure most of you have tried at this point. If you have not, you can go to OpenAI and create a free account. So here we are at ChatGPT's, basically your main page. You're gonna actually put in all the information that you want to put in. And in this case, we're going to have ChatGPT write a catchy rap song for us based on the remarks that we've already created. So let's go ahead and get ChatGPT writing for us. All right, so I've pasted a prompt in here, and you can use this exact one or you can change it up however you would like. You can be creative. That's the cool thing about this. You are the creator here. You get to put in whatever prompts that you want that can tweak how the song's going to turn out. But the one I have for you to give a try: can you turn this into a catchy rap song about a home that is for sale, and the address is 8742 Wilmore Lane, Spotsy, Virginia 22553. Now we're gonna paste in the remarks, and then we're just gonna hit enter. Give it a few seconds. ChatGPT is gonna do its thing, and it's creating a song for you. All the complete lyrics. You're able to change these, but for the purpose of today, we're just gonna leave it as it is. You can update this, you can go in and make the lyrics a little bit different. You could give it prompts to change it up, but we're just gonna go ahead and copy it as it is. And now for the fun part. We're gonna dive into Suno AI, and I'm gonna show you guys this. This is probably gonna get you guys a little bit distracted from your work because it's so much fun. Here we are, Suno.com. Okay, so that's just SUNO.com. And you have the ability here to create any type of music that you want. So you're gonna wanna play around in here, kind of see what it's all about, see what types of genres that you like. Today we're gonna be creating a catchy rap song that's upbeat, that's gonna get people's attention, that's gonna be a little bit different than the normal listing videos that you're used to seeing. So we're on the home page here, and you can go through and listen to songs that other people created, but we're gonna dive right in. You're gonna go over here to the top left, and you're gonna click on Create. So you can do a few different things here. You can give it a prompt just like you would ChatGPT and say, hey, write a catchy rap song about 8742 Wilmore. Or what we're gonna do today, since we're using a combination of ChatGPT, we're gonna click this little button up here at the top that's called Custom Mode. So you're gonna flip that over, and then we're gonna go, we already copied from ChatGPT those lyrics, so we're gonna paste those lyrics right in here. Okay, and it shows everything. It has it as a chorus. It breaks it all out for them. Okay, so you could make this an instrumental if you wanted to, just for future reference, but obviously we want lyrics in this. And then we want to enter the style of music, and it gives you some selection, some ideas for you: indie, pop, rock, melodic. You can choose the voice that you wanted in. So we're going to go ahead, and I've already saved a few things that I want to include in here. We're going to make this hip hop, rap, upbeat, bass, and happy. Okay, we want people to feel happy about this song here. And we're gonna enter a title for it, and we're just gonna call this 8742 Wilmore Listing. And then we're gonna let the magic happen. You just hit create. And we're gonna give it a few seconds here as it's going to create this song for us. And you can see now, I went ahead and fast forward because it does take a few seconds for that. We have two different rap songs already created for us. So let's take a listen just here. We're not going to listen to the whole thing because it actually does create a full song for you. So let's go ahead and see what this sounds like.
Yo, welcome to 8742 Wilmore Lane, Spot C, Vide. Stunning colonial building 17, come take a look, hey. Feels like home the minute you step in, no delay. Neighborhood pool, playground, just a shore.
I mean, if you guys are like me, your mind's a little bit blown right now. This is pretty crazy. It's definitely scary and a little bit on the creepy side, how it can make a song from the lyrics that we just put in there about this, and it's just all about the listing description. Is essentially what it's doing, is turn this into a rap song. So that's version 1. Let's see what the next version sounds like.
Yo, welcome to 8742 Wilmore Lane, Spot C, VA. A stunning colonial built in 17, come take a look, hey. Feels like home the minute you step in, no delay. Neighborhood pool, playground, just a short walk away. In the backyard, stand concrete patio, so fly barbecues with privacy, woods right by, entertain in the open lane.
I don't know about you guys, but these are pretty catchy. And so all you have to do at this point is we have to take this song and we're gonna then attach it to the listing video. Now, you should be, if you have a listing, you should be spending the money to get a professional listing video created, already done for you. Some of you guys have the skills to be able to create your own video, and that's great. You could even do this from an automated video that's created for you from different sources like Paradigm or Moxie Impress, different tools that already create those. This is going to elevate that video more than having your standard music in there, because it's going to be talking about the listing description. It's definitely going to catch their attention when they're watching this. So now you have an awesome song to be able to go along with your video. Let's go into the bonus section where we're going to show you how to add this music to the video, and then you're all set. What we're going to use for that is an app called CapCut. You might be familiar with this. It was started out as a mobile app only, and it would help you to be able to create vertical videos like for TikTok, Instagram Reels. But they now have a desktop version, so you can go to CapCut.com, download that desktop version. That's where I do all of my video editing now. That's where this video was edited. You can do listing videos on there, but I'm going to simply show you how to add a song to a video. You could do this in other video editors if you would like. There's tons of them that you can do that because it's a pretty simple process. But this is one, I think if you're thinking about doing more videos and editing, CapCut makes it really easy for you. So the last thing you have to do before we dive into CapCut is you have to download the song from Suno. So you just pick the one that you like. I'm going to go ahead and go with the second one. And we're going to go click on the 3 dots over here to the right, go to download, and then we're just going to download the audio. And that's going to be downloaded to your downloads folder or wherever your browser sends everything to. Okay? And then you also need to have a location of where your listing video is at. So here's CapCut on the desktop, and this is the home screen that you land on. You're just going to go up here to New Project. And it has laid out a map here for you. So this is not going to be a full tutorial on CapCut, but this is going to be a brief example of how to do that. If you'd like to learn more about CapCut, reach out to me for some additional questions about that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go, and I have my video in my files. I'm going to drag that right in here. And that's going to load up. We have our listing video all set up. Now we're going to go find in the download section where our music was downloaded from Suno. All right, so we have that right here. I'm going to drag that into the timeline. I'll drag that right over here. And we would have to play with it a little bit more. Remember, you can go into Suno after we have that song, just like ChatGPT, and make adjustments, change it up, take off a certain one, change the genre. You can play for days in there. Now, the free version of Suno gives you about 5 songs that you can do per day, and it gives you 2 options. So it's 10 songs, but every time you create it, you're going to get 2 versions. So this one did make it a lot longer. So we might want to shorten that up if you want. But in this case, I'm just going to cut it down to right so it lines up with it. And what you want to do, if you have a music track already on your listing video, which a lot of times if you're getting this from a professional photographer, they're going to give you some music with it. You're going to want to go over here to this little volume icon and click that off so the volume is off on the video and we're only getting the volume from our song. So I'm going to go ahead and make this full screen and we're going to see what our final product looks like.
Yo, welcome to 8742, but I'm more lane spicy Vide. A stunning colonial built in 17, come take a look, hey. Feels like home the minute you step in, no delay. Neighborhood pool playground, just a short walk away. In the backyard, stand concrete patio, so fly barbecues with privacy, woods right by. Entertain in the open layout, family rooms high, 9 ceilings on both floors, reaching for the sky. Granite countertops, subway tile splash.
So there you have it. You get your own little music video. Is this necessarily going to go viral? No, but it's going to be something that is a step above, something you can tell your clients you're doing to make their property stand out. You can customize this way more than this, but you can see here, we've only taken a few minutes to create this. You can go in and time things out. You could edit your video so that the words match up more closely with how that's showing in the video. There's a lot of stuff that you can do if you want to take more time with it, but you can see, simply put, I've been super excited about this. It can be a distraction because it is really fun creating this music. You can do all sorts of stuff with the Suno app. So when you combine different AI tools, I like that it's able to help you be more productive, help you be a better advertiser and a better marketer for your properties. Please share with me your creations. I would love to see the videos that you guys are coming out with. That way we can all learn from each other. But I hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.